Hello, I'm Love Joshi from Royal Gears, Mehsana, Gujarat. I do work with Royal Enfield from past 7.5 years, I guess. Uh, yes, 7.5 years for genuine spares and all. I had been trained by Mr. Jatin Rawal, Ahmedabad's Royal Enfield Training Center. I can remember 2 or 3 meetings for that, trainings for that. One were for 500cc A5 engine, that wiring. Second one were for BS6 model, that wiring, that specifications about newly added details, and I had given a taste for that. Yes, I can remember. I had given a taste for that. God knows I had passed or not, but it were a great experience for me after my college time. Yeah, it were a great time. Yes, good experience for me. Yes, the last one was conducted on 4th of December 2020. Yeah, that meeting was all about. Actually, training was all about for all new Meteor. Mr. Jatin Rawal showed us that what actually Royal Enfield had made in this segment. He showed all the specifications, all the wirings, all do's and don'ts, and all many things. RE Mechanic app, RE app, all major wiring, and many things. I actually can't remember, but many things he had showed me for BS6 Meteor model. Yes, and I actually were pleased to be served by him. Yeah, seriously, he's such a wonderful, knowledgeable person for I can say for Royal Enfield company. He have a great knowledge for all the models of the company. I had seen that he is pleased to serve you. Yes, I had seen that, and he's such a great guy. Yes, so I'm waiting for my taste results also. Yes, and that's it for now. And I had pleased, seriously. The meeting were awesome. I had learned many things. Yeah, RE Mechanic app would be great for me for future. It will show me how to do work without module or something. But it would be great for me. Yeah. Thank you. Be safe. Have safe life.